Hello everyone. So I received a low battery warning on my Tesla Model S Dash telling me that my fob key had a low battery. So we're just going to replace the battery today. So this is the official fob cover, which I will be replacing with a new one as well. So I'll leave the link in the description below. So what we need today is a lithium battery, which is a CR2032. We will also need a small flat blade screwdriver, and this is why you need it. So just carefully prise this panel open, and then this can actually slide a little bit forward. So that comes up a little bit, and then just push forward, and it will slide off. And then again with the screwdriver, you can actually, near the top, just carefully prise the battery out as well. So we just leave that there. I haven't opened the packet yet. I thought it will come off easily, but actually there's another packing. So luckily I have a pair of scissors. We need a pair of scissors then, just to cut around all of this packaging. Now I can open it. So after all that and all that mess, here's the new battery. So we'll just slide that in, slide it in again and push it in, and then let's replace this front cover. So this just clips on at the front. So when you make sure the front is flush, we just clip it on just like that. And then I'm going to be putting it into this new case. This has more coverage, or more protection, I guess. So that's why I want to use this. I'm already using it for my spare. Since I'm replacing the battery of that fob, I'm going to be replacing the battery on here as well. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope that was useful, and stay safe.